Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Bybit institutional loan feature. So let me tell you guys, Bybit institutional loans provide tailored high-volume leveraged liquidity for corporate clients, hedge funds, and market makers whose capital requirements are measured in millions of USDT. Unlike standard retail or VIP loans, this feature operates through an over-collateralized structure tied directly to a unified trading account. To use Bybit institutional loan feature, you have to contact representatives first. You must initiate the process by emailing institutional_services@bybit.com or contacting your dedicated Bybit institutional account manager. Now, contract negotiations. The loan terms, interest rates, and specific repayment timelines are agreed upon offline and formalized via a legal contract. Now, the next is live chat limitation. Standard customer live chat does not support institutional loan requests or inquiries. Once approved, Bybit structures your borrowing using risk units to safely manage collateral across your firm's entity framework. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next